Hi guys, this is Edna. Today I'm going to unbox my first tulip hook set. This is my dream hook for years, so I'm very excited to show this to you guys. I love how they pack my order. The hooks are secured very well. I received this 9 days after placing my order. I bought this set for 1,549 pesos, not including the shipping fee. I will put the link of the shop where I bought this on the description box below. This is a set of 3 hooks, including a pouch, a ruler, and a tapestry needle. This is what the pouch looks like. It is super cute. But I honestly didn't know that the pouch from a set of 3 is different from the full set. I am expecting the bigger one, but it's okay, I still love this one. These are the hooks. The sizes are 2.5, 3, and 3.5 millimeter. I also have this one 2 millimeter hook. I bought this 2 months ago from other shop for 365 pesos. I will also put the link below where I bought this one. So that's it. Thank you for watching.